I want you to grasp this fundamental fact that positivity, positive thinking is the starting point of a positive life. You know, life does not create thought, thoughts create life. Please grasp this. Since we have been given this kind of a well-developed central nervous system and brain, this tremendous cognitive capacity of the human brain, we are able to handle our life through our thought process. This is not possible in the animal world. It is unique to the human world, that it is your thought basically that determines the nature of your attitudes, the nature of your everything about your mind, and the nature of your life, the quality of your life. So your thoughts create your life and not vice versa. Life should not be creating thoughts. So please check and see what is happening just now. It can be that our situation, our circumstances are to a great extent directing our thinking. But we can change our situations and circumstances for the better through our very thought process. I want you to understand this tremendous capacity of the human mind to be able to do this. Please check this out and see. I told you these are going to be experimental sessions, and I'm going to hold a whole lot of experiments on you. You will do it right from where you are sitting. Right where you are. I'm not going to conduct a meditation session somewhere in your puja room, but right where you are, you will grasp a few concepts, a few things about your own mind, which will help you in creating a better life. So just where you are, sit straight, close your eyes just for a minute, and imagine the fragrance of jasmine. Please imagine this. Think of it. Think that there are a whole lot of jasmine plants around you. The subtle, beautiful, pure, immaculate fragrance of jasmine, which is really very beautiful, inimitable in nature. You can feel the fragrance of jasmine if you think intensely about it. You can feel the immaculate beauty of the flowers of jasmine, the buds. And the fragrance is so beautiful, it just consumes your senses, isn't it? So think of the fragrance of jasmine. See, you can do it. Now next, think of the aroma of coffee. Even for those of you who don't like it very much, think of it. The deep, spectacular, very pleasing aroma of fresh coffee. When you think it, you sort of experience it. It is there for you to experience. Now next, just imagine a wonderful sunrise taking place in front of your eyes. Imagine it strongly. Maybe you are on the beach. The wonderful riot of colors that unfolds in front of your eyes. The sun is rising slowly from red to golden yellow. It is reflecting in the waters. The skies are turning from purple to pink to red to yellow, golden yellow. What a splash of colors, and the stillness of the air, so crisp, so clean and pure. See, you can feel all this right here. This is the capacity of your mind. Now open your eyes. You felt the fragrance of jasmine. You felt the aroma of coffee. you felt the beauty of a sunrise, all through your mind. No objects in front of you, but your mind has this tremendous cognitive effective capacity to create an experience. It was just in your memory, but it unfolded in front of you. Isn't it? So this is the ability of your mind. Your mind makes you experience anything. Even when you experience an object, it is through the mind. Mind has this tremendous capacity. What you will repeatedly think about will become your experience. Please understand this, because once you grasp this law, what I repeatedly think, I will experience. If that thinking is about myself, I will become that. Then you have grasped something tremendous. It's a law. This is the first principle of positive thinking. What I repeatedly think, it will come into my experience. My mind will create the situation for it. You know, thought and feeling, both of these go together in a sense. What you think, you will feel something about it, feel something of it. You thought of coffee, you felt the aroma of coffee. You thought of jasmine, you felt the pure fragrance of jasmine. So your mind generates thought and feeling which go together, and your mind is capable of generating them without even the object in front of you. So what you will repeat in your mind again and again, you will experience. And if you are repeating something about yourself, suppose you come home and declare, oh, I am so stressed, मैं overstressed हो गया हूँ. You know, your entire mechanism, both body and mind, will work that out. It will become true. They will start getting stressed out. Although they may not have been so tired, they will get tired systematically. Your brain will get tired, your eyes will feel tired, your organs will droop. You will get stressed because you gave that kind of a program to your brain. I am stressed. And not just you, the atmosphere you create through your word and thought, that radiates into the minds of others. So the people at your home will feel your stress, which you generated through your repeated thought process. They will feel, and they will say, oh, ये तो बहुत stress हो गया है. Bas, they all bless you with stress. In your workplace, when you do this, a whole lot of people will bless you with stress. The words you use and the thoughts you circulate in your mind will create your atmosphere, the inner atmosphere, which will radiate outward and create the outer atmosphere. Please see the truth of this. What you repeatedly think, you will become. If the thought is about yourself, you will become that. If you radiate this kind of thought, I am so happy. Things are going my way. Life is good. All is well with me. I am a child of God. What do I lack? Look at the blessings of my life. If you learn to think in this way repeatedly, you know what will happen? Your brain will radiate positivity. Your eyes will become bright. Your vital energies will bloom, blossom. All your organs will be happy. There will be no BP. There will be no fast heart rate. Everything will be perfect, and you will radiate a positive aura around you. So the people around you will say, "Arey, kitna positive hai." He is radiating positivity. They will bless you with positivity. तो आप पर बहुत कुछ निर्भर है. This is what I want to tell you. Please understand this. The mental language you use, the mental thoughts you create, to a great extent determine your experience of life. What you think repeatedly, you will experience it. In some measure, Actually, even if the thing is not there in front of you, no object is in front of you, you will experience stress, not due to the stressful object, please see this, but due to the conditioning of your mind. You will experience it.